everybody, it's Jennifer. Peppa and I were gifted this puppy playpen. I have reviewed many of these. I'm gonna bury the lead. This one is my favorite so far. Here are the reasons why. First of all, I love this clear plastic. My girl Peppa is busy. She needs to see out. She can see everything, and that's awesome. It's also very light, and so it's really easy to move. But here's the best part. It is so easy to put together. I cannot even tell you how easy this thing is. Okay, so you get some corner pieces, and this will make sense when you get it, but you get like two different directions, okay? That's for the different corners. You also get these flat pieces that are going to connect the center pieces, okay? I have it together in a square. When it comes, you have this protective plastic on both sides. Take that off, and then look at this. You have little bones for the door, and then the door opens. I also love that the door opens fully so you can step in. Some of these, the door only opens like part way, and you would still have to step over as a human. All right, nice handle on this. And this is also amazing. These suction to the floor. And when you're putting this together, these pop on to the bottom here. And then what you are going to do is take the other side and pop that on. And you just push down, and that's it. Then you take this top piece and you pop that on there. Now let's put together the corner. And that's it. Okay, let's see what Peppa thinks. She doesn't mind. Walked right in. Look how easy that is to latch. It is staying securely on the floor because of those suction cups. This comes in a bunch of different sizes, so check that out. You can get the right size for you. And I love that you can make this into different configurations. You can make an L shape, something a lot longer. Love that bone. How cute is that? And easy to open. Peppa can see out. This is just such high quality. Again, it's plastic, it's lightweight but sturdy. Everything stays exactly where it needs to, and it's also very easy to take apart. You're just going to snap that top piece off, and then you pull each of the sections out. It's super easy to store and to take with you. We are loving this. Definitely check this one out, Peppa, and I recommend.